Due to the restrictions placed on Jalsa Salana this year, there will be a heavily reduced number in attendance. Due to this, one aspect of Jalsa which holds even greater importance this year is the coverage on MTA International. So how is the MTA setup going so far?
So here we are where the MTA Studios are located. So this is the area where we have all the live studio sessions. This is where all the presenters and international guests, they all come over here inside. In the shell itself, we build our studio sets where they come in and have their studio programs.
We're here with the lights that we use for Jalsa. Lighting plays a big role for Jalsa in terms of lighting the stage and the members, the public that sit in the Jalsa Gah. Lights are important because visually our eyes are much more efficient than cameras. Cameras don't work the same way as our eyes, so cameras need a lot more light for them to bring you a picture at home. So that's why all these lights are added.
However, as with all other departments, MTA have had to make modifications to their usual arrangements. An uncertain venue and a change to the main marquee are just some of the challenges that the team are facing.
Due to the whole pandemic situation, during the whole designing phase, for us designers, it has been challenging in terms of, is it happening in Islamabad or is it happening here in Hadikatul Mehdi?
Previous years we've had a bigger marquee. The difference with the marquee this year is that it's rounded at the top and it's not our usual height. Usually we have a beam that runs across, which hangs the lights in a straight line. So to get the perfect angle in terms of how the light falls on the face, this year we've had to adapt to get maximum height because the marquee this year is a lot smaller.
So normally we have MTA members throughout the world coming to assist us for the international Jalsa. But unfortunately, this year, because of COVID, we are unable to get that help. We have a much smaller MTA team.
So we have volunteers over here and their backgrounds are from doctors to engineers to architects, and they're giving their time here to help build the whole studio set.
However, despite the restrictions and its challenges, MTA, instead of reducing the quality of the broadcast, are instead working hard on innovating and improving the experience for the viewers at home.
Another new feature we're having this year on Jalsa Salana is we're having a video wall for the main stage. We experienced last year having screens behind us where we can explore different options. This is quite a change from the traditional painting which used to be done for the backdrop or the vinyl which used to be used, and this will allow to have different designs up.
So with every situation, you have to take out the positives. So yes, we have 2 studio boxes, but for the first time, we have a digital studio set up. And that comprises of having a 4 meter by 2.5 meter wall screen, a digital wall screen. And that creates different dynamics to the studio set, where we can have links from various countries, we can have graphics being played, and we can also have links between different sites in Hadikatul Mehdi. We can bring something new to the viewers. And again, I must say, this is all due to the guidance and prayers of our Khalifa.
So one of the additional changes we're having in MTA this year is quite exciting. And inshallah, it will be MDs sitting in different locations together, where they'll be watching Jalsa together. They'll be sending a live stream, which will be shown during Jalsa. And so far, we have over 20 different locations which have signed up to contribute towards this. Inshallah, this will put the international aspect into Jalsa this year as well. So it's not just a Jalsa UK, it is an international Jalsa.
With hard work, guidance, and prayers, MTA International are aiming to bring you the most immersive experience of Jalsa Salana UK so far. Make sure to tune in on Friday.